Guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of Prompt Engineering Real Life Examples module. Where in this video today, we'll be doing example of how you can use ChatGPT in educational institutes. So this will be for both teachers and students as well. So yeah, I'll be explaining you guys what type of scenarios or situations you can deal with, whether if you are a teacher or you are a student and you want AI to help you do your tasks. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just jump right into our ChatGPT. Alright, so here I am with my ChatGPT open, and there was a text or article you can say I found on internet regarding Microsoft and all those details. So first of all, for the example, we'll do a scenario like if you are a teacher and you want to make any test, or you can say a quiz-based exam for your students, and you don't have enough time, you want AI to help you on that. So let's just say if you want to generate MCQs like multiple choice questions out of this text, so you can simply write a prompt here and say generate 10 multiple choice questions out of the given text below. Alright, yeah, so as you guys can see how efficiently and just with a one click it generated 10 MCQs out of that without any problem. These are actually kind of not very easy, these are tricky ones as well. So if you want to make it complex ones, you can prompt it to make it as hard as you want for your students. So yeah, this is how you can get help from that. And if you want, you can generate fill in the blanks out of that as well. You're just gonna prompt the same thing, but instead of multiple choice question, I'm just gonna generate 10 fill in the blanks out of the given text below, and you're gonna hit enter. And yeah, now you can see it just generated fill in the blanks for you instead of MCQs. So yeah, whatever, it's totally up to you, like how you want to play with that. If you want ChatGPT to generate questions out of that, it can do that for you. Yes, so as you can see, it's very helpful for now teachers. You don't have to put a lot of effort into that. Now here you can say like the work of hours can be done in just 2 seconds. So this is how efficient, this is how good the AI has become, and ChatGPT is one of the example, or one of the, you can say, a proof for that. Alright, so let's just say if you are a student and you are given any assignment or any task from your teacher and you have a deadline and you want to do it as quickly as you can. So from that you can get help from ChatGPT, but there's a reminder. Obviously you can get help from ChatGPT, but you cannot be dependent on the ChatGPT to do the whole entire essay, or you can say entire homework for you, because homework is meant to be done by yourself. So yeah, let's just say if you're given any essay about advantages and disadvantages of mobile phone for students, so you can write a prompt as write an essay. Write an essay of 300 words. You can limit the words as well if you want, and you can send topic of, let's just say for today I take an example of advantages and disadvantages of mobile phone. Let's just hit enter. Alright, yeah, so as you guys can see, this appeared to be quite a good format and a proper format of an essay, because in essay we first of all have an introductory paragraph, then we have 3 to 4 paragraphs of body that we can see over here right now, in which it provided few of the advantages and few of the disadvantages as well. And at the end we do have a conclusion part as well. So yeah, that justifies like, how convenient and efficient the AI has become. Your like work of hours can now be done in just a few seconds, and you can play with it as much as you want. You can limit the words, you can change the topic, you can customize it as of your choice, as of your taste. So yeah, how cool and efficient it has become. So this is no doubt to be the future of AI and technology moving forward. So yeah, that was a quick little example of how you can use ChatGPT in educational purpose in educational institutes. If you are a teacher, it can be very helpful for you. Whether if you are a student, that can be a great help, a great lead for you guys as well. That would be it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys in